So anyone can take the time to clean the outside of their car, but a true car enthusiast, I would argue, true car enthusiasts should take the time to clean the inside of their car. But many people would just assume that to get the inside of the car as clean as the outside, you have to go spend like hundreds of dollars on bullcrap products that, in my opinion, work as well as what you have in your house. So today, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna show you how to clean your interior with things that you should have at your house. So let's get to it. So the first step should obviously be to just rid your car of all the clutter that's on the mats. For me, that's my work tag, lunch, cup holder, iPhone cable. Just broke that, but that doesn't matter. And once you're done with getting all the clutter out, you're gonna wanna, I'm not gonna show this on camera because it's pretty self-explanatory, but you take out a mat, and you're gonna hit it. I don't know if you saw that dust out, but like, you need to hit this thing. This thing called you a mean name, so I want you to truly, look at all that dust. Look at all that dust. Then you're gonna place it down, because you just beat the heck out of it, and you're gonna threaten it with a vacuum. Not only threaten it, you're gonna come through, you're gonna get the vacuum and clean it. And do that with all your mats and they should be clean. So after you vacuum the car and like cleaned out all the clutter from inside, comes the most satisfying part. Over time, dust just accrues everywhere, and I don't know if y'all can see that, but like my finger's black just from rubbing that. So we can get that off with some simple pledge and towels, and I'm gonna show you how. Alright, to do this, it's as simple as cleaning any wooden structure in your house. Spray the pledge on your towel, and just go over all the surfaces. And the dust will lift right off. Alright, at this point, when you're about halfway through dusting the car, you're going to want to take a deep breath and realize that it's hot as hell, and then continue working. So what the pledge does, once you put it on the towel, the dust adheres to all that crap. Look at that. And so once you get this over every surface, it's going to make the rest of your job a lot easier. Alright, so this step is kind of optional. It depends how clean you want the interior of your car, but I always like to do it. So for this, you're going to use 409 multi-surface cleaner. And this is going to really get whatever's like stuck under. So we use the pledge to get the surface level stuff. My finger's clean, but my hand's dirty because that's how dirty the inside of my car was. Anyway, this is going to get what's like under the surface and help you truly clean your car and keep it clean. So what you want to do, fold your towel in a prompt fourths. Get your multi-purpose cleaner. 3 sprays. Crease a little. And then wipe. I really like to do it on my steering wheel because it's something I can see a huge difference in after I'm done doing it. But I'm going to show you how dirty this paper towel is, and if that doesn't convince you, I don't know what will. But that's just from the top of my steering wheel, and yeah. So 2 tips I have for this. 1, an easy way to get these like stitching marks. Obvious, but some people are slower than some others. It's okay, I don't judge. But literally just fold it over, grab with a firm grasp, firmly grasp it, firmly, okay. And then you just stroke, okay, that's a little too much, but you just go back and forth, and it's gonna get in between all those stitches, like you can see it. Zoom in and see it. Like all that white, that's the 409 getting in there and cleaning it. But when we're done, and keep in mind, I just cleaned this entire steering wheel. This is just stitching. Look at that. That's gonna make your steering wheel like easier to grab and just better to look at and better to feel. And who doesn't like something that feels good? So I'm gonna make the assumption, which will be true for about half of you, that your car is made of leather, and I just showed y'all on the steering wheel, but I also want to show y'all this center console is leather. That's just from a scrub. So if you want to get, focus on me. If you want to get like really detailed into it, you can do this with all your seats, and it'll just help bring back the color to them. But I'm not gonna do that just because it'd be kind of redundant at this point. But yeah, you pledged it, you 409'd it, and now your car interior should be pretty clean. So we're gonna take care of one more thing. So at this point, every girl that sits in your car is dying to touch on your interior pieces, on your leather trim, on your steering wheel, but this will make them melt. Hear me out. We're gonna wanna get these windows clean. And right before this, I cleaned the outside just so you can get a taste of how dirty the inside is. So I'm gonna run my finger across this thing. And look at that. You can't even see it, but it doesn't matter. I don't know if you can focus on this glass, but there's a finger streak where my finger just went. We're gonna get rid of all that. That's basically haze from just bleh. So, let's get to it. So your household product, Windex, paper towel. So you're gonna wanna spray it on the paper towel or on the window, whichever you please. I'm not your dad. And you're gonna, just wanna rub it all in. And look at that. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that's insane. All that haze is coming right off. And it might take a little elbow grease because some of it is built in there. I'm probably gonna have to use 2 paper towels, but just from doing this half alone, like the visibility is so much improved and it just looks nicer. Just to prove to you how easy it is and that anyone can do it, I'm gonna have my friend Claire here clean my window for me. Already, look how confident she is. Alright, now she just finished. The window's super clean. All that haze that you see is on the outside at this point from watermarks. But Claire, would you hold up the towel? Oh my gosh. What's your take on how dirty that towel is?
It's decently dirty.
It's decently dirty. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoyed the clean interior, and I hope to see you next time.